Okay, so Cheryl's been telling me a little bit about some problems y'all been having and kind of what's been going on. So I just wanted to bring y'all into the session and just kind of get y'all's view on the problem, get your view on the situation, and just kind of see what's going on. So Caitlin, I'll start with you. Can you just tell me a little bit about what's going on with you and your mom? What's causing y'all to fight?
Well, what's causing me and my mother to fight is that she's always negative and depressed, and I just can't even have a conversation with her and just can't be around with her.
Okay, well, why do you think y'all fight so much? What do you think are some of the contributing factors?
Well, my mom definitely nags me a lot all the time. I know she doesn't really care if I go and stay out at night, but she's always on me about something. Every time I tell her to talk to me, we always end up getting in a huge fight, and she's just so serious and yells at me. I just can't listen to her anymore. I'm just fed up. I can't.
Okay, well, how would you like your mother to react whenever you talk to her, whenever she talks to you? What are some ways, how do you think the situation could be different?
I would like for my mother to treat me like an adult, like on the same level, like she would like to be treated, and just have a normal conversation with her that wouldn't end up just each other disrespecting each other.
Okay. Cheryl, do you see it that way? How do you think it could be different? If you could paint the perfect situation, what would it look like with you and Caitlin and y'all's, like when you usually fight, what would be a more positive way that you would like it to end up?
I mean, I know I yell and get stressed out, but she has a terrible attitude and makes me just want to go insane. So I guess we could just be more respectful and treat each other like we care, and
Okay.
she listens to me.
Okay. Caitlin?
Mom, I really do care about you. I know you've been having a hard time with everything that's been going on, and it's stressful for everyone. Everyone when you're sad and depressed, and I don't hate you. I could never hate you. I really care about you.
Okay.
Well, I mean, I'm glad to hear that, Caitlin, and I will work on treating you with more respect and like an adult.
I will definitely try better as well and just be more respectful.
Okay, see, I think that communication between the both of you was great. Is that how you would like more of your conversations to look, just a little bit more peaceful and treating each other with the same mutual respect?
Yes, definitely. I would like that, Mother.
Yes.
Do you think that that's something that your everyday situations and conversations could look like if you work and try?
I mean, maybe eventually, but it'll take some work.
Okay. Well, I think it's great that you both named some desires that you'd like to see out of each other, that you would like respecting her, treat you like an adult, and that you would like her to be more respectful to you. Do you think that you could, maybe this week or before our next session, keep a journal of the interactions that you have and see maybe the frequency of how many fights you have and if they've decreased or if they've become more positive, just kind of how you feel during those times?
Yeah, I could do that.
You think, Caitlin, that's something that you could do?
Yeah, definitely I can work on that.
Okay. Okay, and Mike, I just want to talk to you for a second just about how your wife feels about y'all's emotional relationship, just kind of how you feel about that, what your thoughts are.
Well, I really don't know what the problem is. She always wants to talk about feelings, and I'm just not a feelings guy. And she knew that when we got married.
Okay. Well, what do you want Cheryl, how would you like Cheryl to react, or how does Cheryl react to you when y'all have conversations, or when she does try to talk to you?
She usually just cries or gets mad because she thinks I don't listen to her. She seriously thinks that I'm annoyed by her.
Okay, well, what would you like for her to do differently, maybe, or how to approach you in order for you to have better communication?
I just don't want her to get angry every time I talk to her. I know I can try and be more understanding and be a better husband. I would like for her to just understand when I'm not in the mood to talk.
Which is all the time.
Okay, well, Cheryl, what would you like for Mike to be able to do better, to communicate better?
I mean, I just wish you'd just listen to me. I know I could stop being so paranoid and anxious, but I just don't want you to feel so distant from me. I want to understand if you don't want to talk, but just listen when I need you.
Okay, so how do y'all feel about that? Just telling each other how you feel. I mean, Mike, was that a little bit easier for you, just kind of on a more calm level, just listening to her and letting you know?
Yeah,
Just
I know
kinda-
I can try and listen and be more considerate when she needs to talk to me.
Okay, well, how about this? Do you think that before our next session, the two of you maybe could just go out alone? It doesn't have to be anything fancy, anything great, separate, but just spend some alone time together maybe, and just try to work on opening up a little bit. It doesn't have to be talking about huge things or huge feelings, but even just little stuff, how your day went, how your day was, or anything like that. Just trying to be interested in each other's days and activities. Do you think that y'all could maybe do that, and then we can discuss it the next time that y'all come?
Yeah.
I can do that.
Okay. Well, I think that everyone did a great job today in communication and kind of working out your problems and talking to each other in a more effective way and problem solving. So I'm really proud of all of you. And you all can see that you do have the abilities to have positive communication with each other and work things out.